Okay, I'm going to go over how the HHO measuring device is built. On the bottom here, this is a ABS cap, and right here is an ABS coupler. There's a joint right here. A piece of tubing was glued in between these two, and then your tube is glued into here. This is clear PVC. On the inside, it would be very hard to see the bottom. The tube is PEX tubing, and on the bottom there is a brass elbow with two compression fittings, and the tube is put into the one compression fitting. And coming out the bottom, there's a small tube, small PEX tube on the other side of the compression that goes into fitting like this. The PEX tube is inserted into this fitting, and what I've done is I've used some JB weld on it on this side to seal it, and then obviously drilled a hole through the bottom and tapped it in. That's how that's built. As far as how tall the tube is, the PEX tube, what I've done is you take your, this here is a 1 liter bottle. You take your bottle, and this is, it's kind of big, scientific measuring device, I guess. Take it, fill it up to, in this case it was 1 liter, so fill it up to 1,000 milliliters. I filled the bottle up. And in this case, what I did is I cut the bottle off at one liter. But I would suggest cutting the bottle off a little bit higher than 1 liter, and then making a mark on the bottle at the 1 liter mark or 2 liter mark, however big your bottle's going to be. And then your tube should be long enough so that your bottle can raise all the way up to your mark without obviously the bottle going above it. Then what you want to do is make a mark on the side of your measuring device to coincide with the mark on your bottle, so that when it rises up, when it gets to the 1 liter mark, the lines will match up and you'll know you've got exactly 1 liter. Alright, this is for Steve. He's a friend of mine. I've been helping him build a 118 plate generator, and with his permission, of course, I'm going to post the videos he sent me. Initially, he's just got it done. Initially, he's already, according to his watt output, he's over 5,200 watts. He's already putting out over 35 liters a minute, so I'm real excited to show everyone that, as long as I get permission from him to do so. Anyway, thanks, Steve.